Hello, as you know, I'm Mikhail and I'm from espin, and this is espin LanGuard Technical Overview. GFI LanGuard. It is a comprehensive network management solution. GFI LanGuard allows you to scan, detect, assess and rectify security vulnerabilities in your network and secure it with minimal administrative effort. It gives you to complete picture of your network setups which help you to maintain a secure network faster and more efficiently. GFI LanGuard is an award-winning solution trusted by customers worldwide to deliver comprehensive network security to millions of computers in their businesses. This GFI LanGuard operates in two stages. First, it determines the machines that are reachable. It also tries to collect information sets from the target machines as a part of its network discovery operations. Using a subset of SMB, NetBIOS and ICMP protocols. Supported targets include the localhost, IP, computer name, computers list, IP range, whole domain, workgroup, and organization unit. Second, once the targets are determined, GFI LanGuard performs a deep scanning to enumerate all the information related to the target computer. GFI LanGuard users verify of techniques to gain access to this information, ranging from the file and folder properties checks, registry checks, WMI commands, SMB commands as well, as a part of scan checks, ITCP and UDP and more. Patch management. GFI LanGuard offered patch management support for third-party software, enabling administrators to detect, download, and deploy missing patches for supported applications in the same way they monitor and manage operating systems. GFI LanGuard, also offers third-party management and support for many popular applications like Apple, QuickTime, Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Flash Player, Adobe Reader, and Adobe Shockwave Player, Mozilla Firefox, and Mozilla Thunderbird, Java, and Runtime, and others. Actually, the GFI LanGuard manages patch deployment to both security and non-security patches for Microsoft, Mac OS, and Linux operating system, Microsoft application, and the other third-party applications. Okay. It is possible to patch third-party application and update to the latest version. For example, if it is old version of Adobe Flash Player, GFI LanGuard detected, so it will straightaway provide an option for updating for the latest version or applying all patches for the version in use. Microsoft Internet Explorer and GFI LanGuard is the first solution that automatically patching for all major web browsers running on Windows system, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. Vulnerability assessment. During security audits, over 50,000 vulnerability assessments are made using an extensive industrial range vulnerabilities database incorporating over 8,000 checks and since top 20 standards. The use of agent technology allows the scanning load to be distributed across machines, and with relay agent technology, the remediation load may also be distributed. This is particularly useful in multi-site and large networks. GFI LanGuard, you can perform multiple front scans such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux and iOS, Android and Windows Phone devices that connected to the Exchange server across all environments, including virtual environments, virtual machine, as well as the other devices such as printers, switchers, routers, and analyze your network security, setup, and status. Full flexibility is offered with the ability to see and set up custom vulnerability checks through wizard assistant screens, to define custom grouping of computers, and to create different types of scans and tests with this easiest way of it. GFI LanGuard network auditing. Actually, it provides you ability to and give you a comprehensive view of your network, connected USB devices, smartphones and tablets, software that is installed, and open shares, open ports and big password in use, and any hardware information. Whatever you want, it will be provided by GFI LanGuard network auditing. Once you have scanned for vulnerabilities and patched your system, you can use GFI LanGuard auditing function to learn everything about your network security status, including what USB devices, as I told you, smartphone and tablets are connected, what software has been installed, and everything following information which is important for you, for your environment, will be provided. The solution in-depth reports give you an important and real-time snapshot of your network status. You can easily analyze scan results using filters to reports, enabling you to proactively secure your network by closing ports, as example, deleting users or groups that are no longer in use, or disabling wireless access points. GFI LanGuard shows detailed information about the hardware configuration of all the scanning machine on your network. It retrieves a list of devices from the device manager tool, from the Windows operating system, including motherboard, processor, memory, storage devices, display adapter, and many more. Hardware requirements. As you can see on our board, it's the hardware requirements for the GFI LanGuard server. For the processor, minimum, if you have 1 to 100 computers, minimum requirements is 2 GHz dual core. If you got 100 to 500 computers, it's minimum requirement to 1.8 GHz dual core. And if you have large environment where you have 500 and above till 3000 computers, you must have at least 3 GHz dual core processor. So, what about the physical storage? It's 5 GB for the small environment. For the medium is 10 GB, and the large one we should have at least 20 GB. Random access memory for the small environments 2 GB, 4 GB for the medium one, and 8 GB should have everyone who have the large environment. And network bandwidth 1544 kilobit per second for each of the connection in small, medium, and large environment. Slightly go down and we can realize the GFI LanGuard agent requirements for the hardware. For the processor, it should be 1 GHz speed, and physical storage 1.5 GB at least requirements, and random access memory 25 MB will be enough, and network bandwidth same as was before, is 1544 kilobit per second. So in the end we also need to discuss about the GFI LanGuard relay agent. Processor for the small environment 2 GHz dual core, and for the medium same 2 GHz as well, and for the large one you should have at least 2.8 GHz dual core processor. Physical storage 5 GB for the small one, 10 GB for the medium one, and 10 GB could be as well for the large environment where you have, as you remember, 500 and above clients. Random access memory 2 GB for the small environment, 2 GB for the medium as well, and 4 GB random access memory for the large environment. Network bandwidth 100 megabit per second for the small, medium, and 1 gigabit per second for the large environment for good ability of the scanning and provisioning. Thank you so much for being with us. We're so glad to see you. We're always happy to provide you all relevant information and up to date. If you feel not enough of getting to be in our products which we introduced just now, please do not hesitate to contact us, or just go to your computer and visit the website as www.e-espincorp.com. Thank you.